Sharing the screen with me is a job post from Target, and this is on alleyjobs.com, so I'll link to it below. But the post is for a lead accessibility consultant program manager, and it's for remote or hybrid. And this is a consultant job position, and it's for full time. And this job post makes a lot of what I'm talking about. This demonstrates just how real it is, because in this post there are several selections where it gets to the heart of really a lot of the content in this channel and what I continually talk about. So in the about you section, in the technical expertise, it says expert skills in understanding WCAG 2.1 AA. That's a must for any accessibility position. In the previous video, I just got done talking about how you have to learn WCAG to get a position, any accessibility position. It's mandatory. You must understand it. Also, in the next two sentences, it says demonstrate a strong understanding of the legal landscape and trends in digital accessibility requirements and litigation. Below that, it says comfortable partnering closely with legal on all litigation investigations and questions related to digital accessibility compliance. That sentence, it, and this is me extracting meaning from that. That tells me that they are constantly defending against litigation from plaintiffs' law firms, and that they need someone to help them understand the material claims being made against them. And that is exactly what my ADA compliance course addresses. So it's this is telling you that the actual market is valuing accessibility. And if you get into the accessibility market, you will have something that is very valuable to these different companies. They need help with this. They need, in this case, Target is specifically looking for a consultant, a full-time consultant that can help them with this. So I'm presuming that they have so much litigation against them, and they need someone with experience in this to help them directly respond to, not necessarily respond to, but understand the claims that are being made against them. Also, a strong understanding of the legal landscape. So they are aware of just how litigious this is, and they want to stay on top of this. So they want to be in compliance at all time and make sure that they are following best practices. And they really need someone in charge to help them with that. They also, in here, they said track record in building and maintaining a compliance program ecosystem, to include creating and managing partner trainings and program documentation, developing an ongoing audit process. These are all things that I continually talk about. These are so, so important, especially to the household names that you know and recognize, because I can guarantee you that their digital assets, their mobile apps, their websites, any documents that they have publicly available, etc., anything that they have publicly available is scrutinized by these plaintiffs' law firms. And then it says, there's a few other, another interesting selection. It says able to use data to tell stories and to achieve buy-in from senior leaders. That to me is a very curious sentence to have in here, because this is from Target itself. Presumably, this is from Target. So Target is already saying we can't get senior leaders to buy into something, or we need help to get them to buy into something. So we're seeking out help. But shouldn't the company already, if they're posting about this, shouldn't the senior leaders be convinced in and of itself? Like just from the very fact that the people posting this need help with convincing them. That just seems at odds to me, but maybe the senior leaders are completely separate. And so this could be another story. But I just thought that was very interesting that they need to achieve buy-in from senior leaders, and that is directly from the post itself. So very interesting post. Also, what's interesting, the salary range is $109,000 to $196,200. The market is telling you that they value digital accessibility. So whether you're seeking employment, whether you're seeking a career, you want to get a long-term career, whether you want to build your own small business. These are all things that are very doable and decently lucrative relative to other positions and other lines of work. So I will link to this below. But what this is telling you is that the market is valuing accessibility, and accessibility is something that is needed, not just for compliance, but for genuine access to make sure to make sure that digital experiences are accessible to people with disabilities.